It seems like society these days is very much, okay, well, now there's a problem, so now we're going to try to fix it, but we could totally prevent problems, and preventing problems saves a lot of money in the end, and longevity is huge. So if we can make you look and feel how you mentally feel in your head, I think that's the way that aesthetics is moving, and that's what's making me really excited. I feel really passionate about injections because people are seeking me out. They're looking for me to help them, and it's actually been super rewarding for me. I just find great satisfaction just from the actual procedure itself, but then, you know, a couple weeks later, seeing the results and seeing them being so happy and feeling like the best compliment is, wow, I still look like myself, but it's just like, I just look like I slept a little bit more, and that is really important. The fact that good work should be undetectable and really only the patient is, and everyone else is like, oh, what did you have done? You know, I can't pinpoint it. So that, I think, is one of the best things about being in aesthetics. There's like a common joke that says you can't get Botox at your therapy session, but you can get therapy at your Botox session. So it's just that camaraderie you build with their patients. You know about their kids and their pets and their vacations and things like that. And then they really trust you, and it's definitely like a bond. Like hairstylists have that bond with their clients. So that's the goal here too. All of the injectables, whether it's a biostimulatory filler or a tox, work synergistically together. They make things look more cohesive. And there are so many little nuances that we can do. Like if you're interested in getting chin filler, we can actually do chin tox there too, to kind of elongate, maybe feminize the face, maybe masculinize the face. But we can pair them to actually give you a better result. It will actually look more natural and cohesive. Your injector will be able to consult with you and tell you about it. But basically, pretty much everywhere except for the forehead, we can give you that balance and that synergy with even all three of those products.